When it comes to improving safety and convenience on the road, wireless backup cameras have become one of the most valuable upgrades drivers can add to their vehicles. Reversing accidents happen more often than many people realize, especially in crowded parking lots, tight driveways, or areas with limited visibility. A quality backup camera helps drivers see obstacles, pedestrians, pets, bicycles, and other vehicles that may not be visible through mirrors alone. Wireless backup cameras are especially popular because they combine safety, convenience, and flexibility. Many modern systems now include HD video resolution, solar charging, night vision, wide-angle viewing, parking guidelines, dash cam recording, and smartphone connectivity. In this guide, we're counting down the best wireless car backup cameras for 2026 to help you find the perfect combination of image quality, reliability, installation simplicity, and smart driving features. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the V-Times wireless backup camera. This camera is a strong choice for drivers who want a simple and affordable way to improve rear visibility without dealing with complicated installation. One of the biggest benefits of wireless backup cameras is convenience, and the V-Times model focuses heavily on providing a user-friendly setup process. Traditional wired camera systems often require routing long cables through the interior of the vehicle, which can be time-consuming and frustrating for many drivers. Wireless systems simplify the process significantly by transmitting video signals directly to the display monitor. This makes installation faster and more practical for DIY users. Another advantage of the V-Times camera is its wide-angle viewing capability. Wider viewing angles help drivers see more of the area behind the vehicle, reducing blind spots during parking and reversing. This feature is especially useful in crowded urban environments or tight parking spaces. Coming in at number 4 is the Zmopo 4-channel dash camera. This system stands out because it combines backup camera functionality with full multi-camera recording coverage. Instead of focusing only on rear visibility, the Zmopo system is designed to monitor multiple angles around the vehicle simultaneously. One of the biggest advantages of a multi-channel system is improved situational awareness. Drivers can monitor the front, rear, and side views of the vehicle, which is especially valuable for larger vehicles, rideshare drivers, commercial vehicles, and people who spend long hours on the road. The integrated dash cam functionality adds another layer of protection. Dash cameras have become increasingly popular because they can provide valuable video evidence during accidents, disputes, or insurance claims. Many modern systems now combine driving security and reversing safety into one all-in-one setup. Video quality is another major strength of the Zmopo system. Higher resolution cameras make it easier to identify details such as license plates, road markings, and nearby obstacles. Clearer footage also improves parking confidence and general driving awareness. At number 3 is the Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera, one of the most convenient and beginner-friendly wireless systems currently available. Autovox has become a well-known brand in the backup camera category because of its focus on easy installation and dependable wireless performance. What makes this camera especially appealing is the solar-powered design. Solar charging reduces the need for complicated wiring or frequent battery charging, making the system more practical for everyday use. This feature is particularly useful for drivers who want a clean and simple installation process without professional assistance. Wireless solar-powered systems are also extremely popular among RV owners, trailer users, and truck drivers because they eliminate much of the hassle associated with traditional wired camera setups. The flexibility and portability of these systems make them ideal for a wide range of vehicles. Another key advantage is image stability. Earlier wireless camera systems sometimes struggled with signal interference or video lag, but newer digital wireless technologies have improved dramatically in recent years. The Autovox camera is designed to deliver a stable and responsive video feed for smoother reversing performance. Taking the number 2 spot is the DVKNM Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This model combines modern wireless convenience with upgraded image quality and practical safety features designed for everyday driving. One of the biggest strengths of the DVKNM system is its balance between simplicity and performance. Wireless installation saves time and reduces setup complexity, while solar charging adds extra convenience by minimizing maintenance requirements. Image clarity is another important advantage. High-definition backup cameras provide sharper visuals that help drivers identify obstacles more accurately while reversing. Better image quality becomes especially valuable during nighttime parking or poor weather conditions where visibility is naturally reduced. The DVKNM system also emphasizes strong signal stability. Reliable wireless transmission is critical for any backup camera because delayed or interrupted video feeds can reduce driver confidence and safety. Modern wireless systems now use improved digital communication technology to provide smoother and more consistent performance. And finally, taking the number one spot is the Vantrue new N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam. While technically more advanced than a standard backup camera, this system earns the top position because it combines premium multi-camera monitoring, ultra-high-resolution recording, and advanced driving protection into one powerful package. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N4 Pro S is its 4K recording capability. Ultra-high-definition video provides exceptional detail, making it easier to capture license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic conditions. This level of clarity is especially valuable for accident documentation and overall driving security. The 3-channel system allows simultaneous front, rear, and interior recording, providing comprehensive coverage around the vehicle. This makes it an excellent choice not only for everyday drivers but also for rideshare drivers, commuters, and long-distance travelers who want maximum visibility and protection. Another major strength is nighttime performance. Advanced image sensors and HDR processing help improve low-light clarity, making nighttime driving and reversing safer and more reliable. The rear camera functionality also works effectively as a backup camera, helping drivers reverse with improved awareness and visibility. Combined with parking monitoring features, the system provides around-the-clock vehicle protection. Choosing the right wireless backup camera depends on your driving needs, vehicle type, and preferred features. Basic wireless cameras are great for simple reversing assistance, while advanced systems with dash cam integration provide broader safety and recording capabilities. Image quality, night vision, wireless stability, weather resistance, and installation simplicity are all important factors to consider. Solar-powered systems are especially convenient for users who want low-maintenance operation and faster setup. Ultimately, wireless backup cameras offer one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve driving safety and parking confidence. Whether you drive a compact car, SUV, truck, RV, or trailer, a quality backup camera system can make everyday driving significantly safer and more convenient. That wraps up our guide to the best wireless car backup cameras for 2026. From the simple and affordable VTimes wireless backup camera, the advanced Zmopo 4-channel dash camera, the convenient AutoVox solar wireless backup camera, the reliable DVKNM solar wireless backup camera, to the premium Vantrue new N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam, there's a perfect option here for every type of driver and vehicle. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest automotive reviews and buying guides, and be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.